coming up in today's video. In this first clip, we're going to look at two very cool Bluetooth speakers. And the first one we're going to look at is the small military retro style speaker with amazing sound quality. It is the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventures. The speaker is designed with a full magnesium alloy body. With its cool tactile controls, it is very easy to use. It even has a built-in LED light, making it perfect for outdoor camping. The second speaker we're looking at is from the same brand, Mower, and this speaker has got a little bit more of a retro cyberpunk look. It also has a metal body and is even water resistant, which makes it great for outdoor use. Just listen to what this YouTube tech reviewer had to say about these speakers.
Holy moly! Absolutely phenomenal. The construction of this thing, wow, wow, wow. Highly impressed.
They sound absolutely phenomenal. I was totally blown away by this sound.
In our second clip, we're taking the movies outdoors with this inflatable movie screen from Nosco. This inflatable screen is quite large, so you need a good size outdoor space for this. Inflating this outdoor screen doesn't take too long with a pump that comes included in the box. This is the ideal gadget for anybody that wants to enjoy the warm, long summer evenings outdoors.
Hi Bixby, turn on the freestyle.
Obviously, with that big inflatable screen, you're gonna need an outdoor projector, and we've got just the thing for you. As you can see, this outdoor projector from Samsung is a very versatile little gadget. With the different angles this projector can handle, it will give a completely new meaning to the phrase Netflix and chill. With the amazing sound quality, this is a great gadget for your house parties. This gadget even comes with socket adapters that will even enable you to project on a flat table, ideal for anybody that works from home.
Hi Bixby, turn off the freestyle.
Now, if an inflatable screen and outdoor projector is not exactly your style, this next gadget might be exactly what you are looking for. This is a foldable flat screen TV that can be completely hidden away, indoors and outdoors. This is surely the ultimate in outdoor viewing. It's an incredible piece of engineering art. I'm sure all of you will agree, you can't really have a good outdoor summer without a decent grill or barbecue. And here we look at one of the many products from Tech Grills. What makes these Tech Grill products different is that they work with infrared technology.
You can actually use one side of your grill to smoke and roast, while the other side that you can grill on high heat. Or if you're cooking for a large crowd, you want the full experience of the Gator Rack.
This company has got many products including built-in grills, freestanding grills, portable grills, accessories for all these grills, and even outdoor kitchen units. What makes these Tech Grills stand out even more is that no other product on the market can get as hot as theirs for the perfect sear.
That you really get a low and slow roast or smoke to your food. And then finally, you can actually add beer, wine, marinades, or other liquids to the radiant drip tray, and that's going to add more flavor to your food.
But people grill more than just steak and burgers.
And the chip corral goes in front of the rack, and that's where you're going to keep all of your chips nice and neat while you're smoking. The chip corral holds up to 5 cups of chips, and you can fill it up with as little or as much as you like, depending on what kind of flavor you're going for.
Their engineers went back to the drawing board, and today they are famous for the opposite reason. No other infrared grill on the market is capable of turning down to an ultra-low 200 degrees, the perfect temperature for slow cooking pork shoulders or even smoking those delicious pork ribs.
The amazing thing about the Gator Rack is the sheer quantity of food that you can cook at one time. And I want to show you just how much you can load up on the grill. So you can see this is enough food for about 40 to 50 people. Another option is to use the Gator Rack as an oyster roaster. You could just pour a little water into the radiant drip tray to steam the oysters, and if you like, you can put some chips in the chip corral to smoke the oysters as well. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes, just until your desired doneness, and you can smoke roast up to a bushel of oysters at a time.
With all the accessories available from Tech Grills, your grill options are quite literally endless. This last product we're going to look at today might look like some futuristic electric car, but it's actually a robotic lawnmower from Husqvarna. And this specific model is actually a 4-wheel drive. This robotic lawnmower is the ideal gadget for anybody that wants the perfect manicured lawn, but has much better things to do with their time. Husqvarna has got many lawnmower products, ranging from $700 all the way to $33,000. The all-wheel drive robotic lawnmower will set you back about $4,000.
No matter how your garden looks or how you use it, Husqvarna Automower is ready to take on the job. With no effort from you, our robotic mowers cut your grass to perfection. 3 million of them are already out there, taking care of everything from small urban gardens to the largest, most challenging areas. The boundary wire, or virtual boundary, defines the working area of Automower. It helps the mower reach all areas and to manage passages. Inside the work area, there is also one or more guide wires, or virtual guide. This guide helps the mower to find the shortest way back to the charging station and prevents track marks from appearing on your lawn by alternating routes. The guide and the technology inside the mower help Automower pass through narrow passages and to reach remote work areas. The clippings are so small that they are never spread where you don't want them. Thanks to the nutrition from the clippings, your lawn becomes healthier the longer your Automower is out there working. You don't have to do any raking or collecting. When your Automower is running out of battery, it will automatically return to the station to recharge. Automower has one of the lowest noise levels of all robotic mowers on the market. This means you can safely leave it working at any hour of the day. It works in rain and sunshine, all according to your settings. We have never stopped adding new features or updating the technology, like Automower Zone Control, which was launched in 2022, giving you more control for personalized lawn care, or our all-wheel drive model that handles slopes up to 70%. Our latest innovation is the flexibility and ease of boundary wire-free installation. Today we are more certain than ever. There is a robotic mower for every lawn. It's a claim that we love to prove as much as you love your lawn.
Okay everyone, that's it for this InnoVisionX video. If you enjoyed our content, please consider subscribing and we will see you in the next one.